Hi, welcome to Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato cheese. It's a cheese sauce that's made without dairy. So what you're gonna need is 4 sweet potatoes, soft, so cook them. I cooked mine in the microwave, but you can use the top of your stove or whatever you wanna use for it to make them soft. Get them nice. And you want to put them in a blender. And then I use these red peppers, the red sweet peppers. And I buy a jar of them and I just put the whole jar, if I can get it open, put the whole jar in. Okay, so then you want some nutritional yeast. And I usually just put like 2 capfuls. The recipe calls for, let's see, a half a cup of nutritional yeast. 4 sweet potatoes, half a cup of nutritional yeast. Okay. Let's see. 2 teaspoons of hickory liquid smoke, or just some kind of liquid smoke that you like. You want 2 teaspoons. I just use 2 of the covers. Okay, plus 3 cups of water. And I'm going to start out with a little bit less than 3 because I want to see how thick it is. And you can always add the water, so to however you want it, the texture you want it. But I wanted mine a little thick because it's going to be going on some taco. I'm making taco lasagna, and I'm going to show you how do you do that. But that was very easy. The steps are 4 soft sweet potatoes, or 4 cooked sweet potatoes, and a half a cup of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of hickory smoke, and then you can put in the seasonings you like, along with a little less than 3 cups of water, and then just keep adding if it's too thick. And then you just blend. So I would just add like 2.5 cups of water. The recipe called for 3 cups, but I don't think you need 3 cups of water. Not if you're gonna put it on like taco pizza, or on your pizza or lasagna, or on top of your spaghetti. You want it a little thick. What I did the beginning of the week is I made me some red beans in a crock pot, dried red beans in a crock pot. And I'm using those throughout the week for different recipes. Well, today I decided to do a taco lasagna. And so I want to show you how that's put together. Okay, and you just use 2 cans of beans in a slow cooker, about 3 cups of salsa, a can of tomatoes, and a can of corn. And then I used this to season it. Now you can use whatever you want to season your taco. Very easy recipe. Very, very, very easy to put together. Let me start the stove 350 here to preheat it. And so you want to layer the bottom with some sauce, just like you would lasagna when you're doing it with noodles. This doesn't have any noodles in it. So you just want to put a thin layer on the bottom. Look at this sauce, how pretty it is. But it's real, and it smells so good. And I got corn tortillas, but when I was watching this recipe online, they used flour tortillas, but I like the corn. I don't like flour tortillas. So you want to layer your tortillas in here, just like you would your noodles on top here. And I'll show you how I layer them in here. They don't have to be perfect. I watched some online that they cut them and they put them in just really perfect. But when they cook, it all cooks together. I've done it both ways, and I know that it doesn't taste any different. So I don't take that much time in doing this. I just kind of layer the bottom of the pan here. And you want to take and put another layer of sauce on top of those. You want to cover all of your corn shells here, soft corn shells. And I look for the fat-free corn shells because I also don't cook with oil, and I try to stay as much as possible away from oil. And so plant-based, oil-free diet or way of eating and cooking. I don't know, I watch a lot of recipes and they go and they pour oil in their pan for their onions and they saute in oil, and I can't do that. I just use a little bit of water, or I'll take and use some vegetable broth. Works really good. You need to try it. So on this layer, I'm actually gonna put some of my sauce I made that's a mock cheese sauce on this layer. So, because you want to get some, I myself love sweet potatoes added to my recipes, and look at how nice that is. Nice and orange. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. And then just put a layer of this on top. Not too much, because you're going to want it for your last layer. And then just layer it again. And it's okay if you got little pieces. Just put them in there. It works. So, okay. And so then you just want to pour over that's plenty, and your sauce. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so then you just want to take and put this in your oven for about 45 minutes, and you'll have some taco lasagna. All right, there's the finishing lasagna that I just made. Taco lasagna. Now we'll enjoy. So go ahead and make yourself up some taco lasagna. Very easy to do, very fast, and very delicious. So until next time, bye.